track humbles even the most decorated and celebrated pros.
The walls are nice and close, it's really unforgiving. Favours the brave, you get rewarded big for that time.
Always awesome to be here. Always good, you know, every single session you go out, you just enjoy driving here.
It cannot be a better place than Bathurst for sure.
We decided last year that we want to take part in the IGT3. So it's a wonderful championship, and we decided to go with Romain, Dirk and Fred.
Just a very, very big Porsche presence here. Factory cars, the best 911 drivers in the world. A serious race for us, and here's to a Porsche getting some bubbles at some point tomorrow at 6 o'clock. Disappointing that they only have one car in the shootout. Bit of a local flavour, obviously, with Matty behind the wheel there. We would have liked a few more cars up, there's no question about it.
Just try to work on our car balance a little bit more. We've been having a little bit of an understeer tendency throughout the weekend. That qualifying session, the car was really, really good. Good improvement, and you know, the balance of the car was fantastic. So extremely happy. So top 10 now, and see how we go in that one.
We're starting P10. Great job. I'm so proud of Matt.
Yeah, just a mistake by me. Couldn't get the tyres up quick enough, and we're still starting inside the top 10, and for a 12-hour race, that's good.
The unique part about this start is an early arrival, 3:45 wake up, completely pitch black. As the walls are not illuminated, you sort of try to survive the first hour.
You know, starting in darkness, then getting blinded 20 minutes later, it's something quite unique, I think.
It's the third time I do it here in Bathurst, so I have the experience, but pretty scary.
Lights from front, lights behind. It's a big challenge, you need experience. It's a lot harder than what it sounds.
First stint, we're in the middle of the field, and we were at a really good pace, and we could climb back up to, I think, third position.
So many safety cars and yellows, but CJ done a fantastic job, and we're chipping away, and the car's nice and clean.
Survived the first 4 hours. Speed is there definitely, so we're on a good way.
We had some lack of pace at the beginning. We aren't the quickest out there, but we were so far the smartest in on strategy, so we're still looking very good.
We had a plan. We wanted to stay out of trouble. That's what we do so far, which brought us to P1 now, and so far it's looking good.
A lot of yellows and safety car periods. It's really going to come down to a few cars in that final hour.
We have all 4 cars in the top 10. Over the last hours, really never stop. A lot of tricky situations, but now we are going in the final, and that will be really tough and close.
We had a shot to win the race really on the fuel save. A red flag, you know, came and we didn't restart, and that's the way it is. That's racing.
Through, I would say, excellent driving strategy, staying out of the trouble, what was always our target, finish 4 of the cars in top 6. Really good job, I have to say.
We have to be really happy to win the Pro-Am class and finishing third on the podium overall. Starting from P26, I think it's a great team effort. Great team, good pit stop, no penalties. That's what you need to finish here on the podium.